So this is how you can pick up and drop photos from the iPhone to the iPad. So let me guide you through it and show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So there are more ways how you can approach this, of course. So usually you go to your library and select the images which you want to move over to the iPad. So I'm going to use the select feature like this. And now I can either tap on the individual images or use the dragging gesture to select as many as I want, right? Or use it to unselect them. But the point is that once I have it like this, I can click on share. And using the airdrop feature, I will have the ability to move those things over to the iPad. So as you can see, I can click on an airdrop like this. The iPad is readily available, but if not, just make sure airdrop is turned on this iPad, but I can click on it like this. You can see that it is waiting a little bit. And right now on the iPad, it just pulls up the gallery and everything is already in here, right? So it just moved the stuff over, right? Everything, as you can see right here, is now part of this iPad, right? So that's how you can move stuff over very quickly. But the other solution would be using the iCloud. So if your iPad and iPhone use the very same Apple ID, so when I go to the settings at the top, this is my account. And if you use the same one on both devices, you can set up the iCloud library, right? So when you go in here, you can see I have the iCloud enabled and so on, right? So if you can also use iCloud Photos and enable the syncing of all of the photos between iPad and iPhone. That's one approach. But if you have the iCloud Drive enabled, what you could also do is to go to the Photos app, select the images you want, and hold down on them, right? So you can kind of like grab them like this. I'm going to leave the Photos app, go to the, not the calculator, but go to the Files app like this. And when I go to the iCloud, right, so you can see the iCloud Drive is right there, I can place it into some kind of folder, right? Let's say I'm going to put it into the Keynote right here. So I can put it like this and upload it to the iCloud as such. And once it gets uploaded, I will have the ability to go to the iPad, go to the Files app on this device, and essentially be able to find it in the iCloud section. That is, again, only if you're using the very same account. So if I go to the iCloud and go to the Keynote, I currently have one thing, but as you can see, the photos have now appeared in there too. So that's also a very good way to drag and drop photos between the iPhone and iPad. So I hope it helps. These were just a few ways how you can do this. Of course, you can use third-party cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox or anything else, but this was my favorite option. And let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.